Welcome to DIY Arch Auto.
Pufferman rolled by and said that the AC wasn't working in the Trailblazer, so we're gonna have to check it out. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's go ahead and open up the hood real quick. Okay, so we got the hood open. We checked it out. There's no blown fuses over here. There's no blown fuses underneath the hood. So we went and checked the AC compressor and the tank and all that stuff here. Went and bought one of these things, checked it out, and the pressure says it's all good. And then I noticed that the clutch down there isn't spinning, so I'm gonna have to take it in and see what it is. But let's go check it out. All right, I'm loaded up in the truck. I'm about to head to the AC spot and let's see what they say. They're ready. They said I can come right in. Let's go take a peek. So now that we're on the road, let me tell you a little story how this happened. We had the stereo going and the fuse managed to short out and melted some wires. Once that happened, the AC shut off too. We went and checked all the fuses as you've seen, but that didn't work. So we gotta get a little bit more in depth here and get this thing figured out. It might just be a sensor. Hopefully these guys can handle it. Hello? Is anybody there? Wow, this is taking forever. Well, let's go over tire conditions. There's feathering with bad alignment, worn steering. Then you got cupping. That's probably bad steering and suspension, the balance. If one edge is wearing, that's your alignment, steering, or suspension. And if you're wearing on the outsides, you're underinflated. If it's wearing in the middle, you're overinflated. I wonder where these guys are, if they even know anyone's here. Still waiting, but did you know that you could put additives for your fuel and your oil to keep your engines and your fuel lines going? Maybe do it yourself and save a buck. This is taking forever. All right, so they're gonna take a look at it. 50 bucks just to get it all checked out. We'll see how it goes.
How's it going, man? So
he said whatever the wiring was done, he just doesn't want to get involved in all that. That's crazy.
What's
he said
crazy?
The wiring that was done on it. He said that's something he just doesn't want to get involved in. You'll have to take that to an electrical shop.
So you guys just don't want to look at it, or it's just?
Yeah, he doesn't. He's not a specialist in wiring.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so take it to There's a place called on the corner. What's it called on 50 and Dean Road? It's right on.
Rescue?
Right, no, 50 and Dean. 50 and Dean behind the 7-Eleven. It's called.
A little shop back. I know where you're at. Somewhere right back in there.
Yeah, they do electric.
All right, I'll go take a look, man.
All right, man.
We're all good then?
Yeah, we're all good.
I appreciate it, bro. Have a good one.
Wow, not even a small diagnostic, nothing. But that's all right, they didn't charge me. But guess what? We're gonna have to figure this out on our own because we're just wasting time now. So watch the next video and save yourself some money. Those mechanics didn't work out. They said it's electric and they don't know what to do with it. So we'll have to continue this later. I didn't realize how lazy mechanics are, but watch this next video below and you'll see how we took care of it ourselves. Be sure to subscribe.